So today I'm gonna show you guys how to create a YouTube account. First, we need a Google account. So if you have a Google account, you can use your existing one with an email or phone. But if you don't have a Google account, we can go to create account. You can choose any of these three options. I'm gonna choose for my personal use. And you can put any name that you want to put. I'm gonna put random month. You can put your original birthday. I'm gonna put mail, and then we can use an email address. You can use this bottom section, and it's gonna show you just to make it more better for you. I'm gonna choose this one. You're gonna need a password. So let's choose any password. There it is. There's my password, and then it's gonna require you a phone number. They're gonna send you a message. Then you can enter your code. You want to put an ad recovery email, you can. It should say review your account info. Then if you want, you can read privacy and terms. Read it. Then once you read it, or if you don't want to read it, you can just press I agree. And then you can put confirm. And it should, and there it is. You have your email. Then you can now subscribe to any kind of channel you want. So you can subscribe to any of these channels. You can subscribe to my channel. You can subscribe to any channel now that you have your Google account. Okay, there it is. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like if you guys liked the video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, and I hope to make future good content for you guys. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Please share the video. Have a nice day. Bye.